How to use fire extinguisher. Remember, pass, pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Step number 1. Pull the pin, because this will also break the tamper seal. Step number 2. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Step number 3. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguisher agent. Step number 4. Sweep from side to side at the base of the fire until it appears to be out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook, HSC Leslie Bones. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.